I'm fired up, man. This ozone therapy sounds great, and the benefits of it, I can't wait to get started.
Overall, ozone therapy has been around for many years. And what I tell patients is that the best benefit that you'll get out of this is increase your immune system, something that you can't really see. Most of us have a decreased immune system because we have high cortisol, we're under stress all the time. Our body is constantly fighting that inflammation in our body, like overall. So it's really hard to confront any type of microorganism that comes into our body or tries to attack us. It does help a lot of patients when they have cardiovascular disease. They also have autoimmune disease. It does help in many forms and ways that I can tell you that I've seen most of my patients, if not all, come back because they really like the therapy that we offer here.
Well, I got to tell you, that one sounds really good for anybody who got flipped around to their 30 years of age on a football field. So some of that stuff really hits home, and the benefits of the energy and everything else that this offers, it's amazing.
Yes. So one of the biggest benefits that I've seen most of my patients like offer within this therapy is the antioxidant effect, which causes reduction of free radicals accumulation in your body. It happens because on a constant and daily basis, we are ingesting some type of like toxins, either through food that we're eating, things we're inhaling, even through our skin, and those things start accumulating within our body. So what this does is that while we oxygenate your blood, basically, is it releases all those radicals that are accumulating in your body, so you have a better blood flow to your organs, to your muscles.
Wow.
Accumulation of lactic acid for athletes, for example, they don't feel as tired or as in much pain the following day with this type of therapy. People are sleeping better, they feel much more energized, they have mental clarity. Patients that have chronic pain in their joints, in their muscles, maybe they have diabetes, maybe they have high blood pressure. So all these things cause a lot of inflammation within our body that we don't see, and we feel fatigued, we feel lethargic, we feel tired overall, and it's really hard for us to feel that energy we had when we were 20. So this type of therapy really helps us just be a better version of ourselves and optimize our body in a way that we truly need.
How long before you start to feel the effects after you go through this procedure?
So some patients say that like they sometimes feel it an hour, 2 hours after they get this ozone therapy. A lot of patients tell me that they have so much energy that same afternoon that it's really hard to go to sleep, but they'll sleep a couple of hours and it's like they slept 10 hours and they feel super energized the following day. The following days to come, you'll start feeling more awake, better mental clarity, more focused on your tasks, less stress overall, which they love. A lot of patients have also told me there is a lot of benefits when it comes to a lot of skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis. Patients have told me that they've seen a reduction in the inflammation on their skin. Their skin is glowing a little bit more. So basically this type of therapy, what it does, it increases the glutathione effect that your liver constantly makes, which is what's fighting off all those free radicals in your body. So what it does is it releases all of that, and those toxins are basically trying to move out of your body because they don't belong there anymore. It creates like the red blood cell membrane to be a little bit better for it to release the oxygen into all the organs and into your muscles. So it helps people just recover a lot faster. Now, let's say you have an acute infection. Maybe you got the flu or you got COVID. So it cuts down the time. Instead of feeling bad and feeling sick for a week, you can cut down the time for like an hour, for a day or 2 days where you're not in bed all day, just feeling foggy, feeling fatigued, with pain overall. So it's very beneficial for a lot of patients that actually have Lyme disease, Epstein-Barr virus. They may have herpes simple virus where they have like some type of herpes like around their like they have small sores. It actually cuts down the time and they don't need to use as much medicine in order to get better.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, there's a lot of, I can't wait to get started on this thing. This is going to be unbelievable.
You'll feel phenomenal. You'll feel like a new man. All right, guys, so right now I'm here at the ozone generator. I am just prepping the syringes with the ozone to be able to put it inside of the bag that we already have prepped with Joe's blood. This is relatively easy, quick. The syringes will start pulling in the ozone. We're gonna do 4 syringes of 50 mLs. It's very safe. It's simple. He'll feel phenomenal right afterwards. And the process itself, Joe has been here for a little bit with us. The blood will be going, his own blood will be going back into his system. We start all patients at a low dose, and after that we maintain you at an intermediate dose. If the patient is suffering from some type of viral infection or like a chronic type of infection in their body, we do increase it a little bit more, but we don't go beyond 80, just because the research has shown us that there's no real benefits from increasing the dosage beyond that. So we're gonna get Joe ready to go and just to feel better overall. All right guys, so we're almost there. We're just putting in the ozone into the IV bag right now. And as we put the ozone into the bag, you'll see that the blood is actually getting brighter, meaning we're adding more oxygen to this bag. Once I'm done with this, I'll be mixing it manually for about 2 minutes and then hanging it back up, and then it goes back into Joe's body and we'll be done after that.
I feel good. It's done, and I didn't know if I feel great.
Like I said, it's a very simple, safe procedure, safe therapy for the patient overall. Next 24 hours, we'll be taking a close look at you to make sure that you're doing okay. Make sure you rest up if you're feeling a little bit tired. That is totally normal. Stay hydrated, like I said. Overall well-being, patients say like within the next couple of hours, you're start feeling a lot better.
Yeah, it's funny because I called before I came in. I go, I'm a little run down. I got the flu, and I'm taking something for it. Not to mention my body's been achy because of that with other stuff. So this was absolutely the perfect time.
Perfect. Well, we're glad that you were able to pass by our clinic today and that you were able to try it so you can tell all your friends about it.
It was fast.